Hi, this is the introduction to SplineCloud. Here I will quickly guide you through the platform and explain what problems does it solve and how it can be used to optimize your work time. In the next videos we will take a look at the more detailed example, explaining how to organize and reuse engineering data to speed up and simplify calculations. Okay, so what is SplineCloud? It is an open knowledge management platform for engineers and scientists. Its main goal is to make engineering knowledge accessible and reusable. And this is achievable through a simple approach. First, you discover or create a topical repository with data that is required for your calculations. Then you define or extract clean datasets from the data files. SplineCloud allows you to work with text, files, spreadsheets, and even images, providing a graph data acquisition tool. After that, you can build interpolations or approximations that describe relations in data using advanced curve fitting tools. And finally, you access these curves or curves built by others directly from your code using SplineCloud client libraries. So let's jump in and see the platform from the inside. The Explore tab gives you the feed of all data repositories available on the platform. The datasets and relations indicators show how many of these objects are associated with the particular repository. And by clicking on drop-downs, we can get the list of datasets and relations. Repository is essentially a web folder with your files. You have absolute freedom in defining the structure and content of your repository, creating subfolders, and uploading files. It is always a good idea to annotate repositories with wiki descriptions to make the content understandable by others or you in the future. Let's jump to the data relation preview. Here is a relation of the rocket engine chamber temperature on the propellant mixture ratios for various fuel and oxidizer pairs. We can scroll up or down to see other relations that are associated to this data file. These or similar curves are used in designing rockets and rocket engines for comparing and optimizing design parameters. And thanks to SplineCloud, to reuse these relations, all you have to do is just copy the link or the ID of the curve and insert it into your code. In the next videos, I will describe this process in more details, as well as explain how to extract datasets from graphs and how to use curve fitting tools. So this is it for this introduction to SplineCloud. Thank you for your attention.